How can you share your computer screen when you are in a Zoom meeting? To do that, you click this button written Share. You are presented with a host of options. So you can share the entire screen. In my case, I have an additional screen. So I can choose the screen I want to share. Let me share my second screen by clicking that and clicking Share. Once I do that, people can see my second screen now. If I want to stop this share, I have to go to my second screen. There is this bar. I just click Stop Share and we have stopped sharing. If I want to share a particular window that is open, for example, if I come to Share here and then go to a particular window that is open, say I want to share this window which contains a PDF, I just click it and then Share. So what happens right now is people can only see this window. If I do anything else, move things around or anything, they will only see this window because I am sharing this particular PDF window. So if I stop sharing, that is not available anymore. However, when we clicked Share here, there are additional options that we could see. So these are called layout options. For example, this is an entire share of the screen. If you come to the second one here, it allows a person to appear at the bottom. So you can actually move this and it shows if my video was on, my face would appear here. Over here is when we have a video feed of you, your webcam, and the second part here, which you can move around, is what you have shared, which is the shared screen. It can be screen 1 or 2 or any of the application windows. In this third function, you have your face side to side with your shared screen. So that's how you share your screen, and also you can choose whether to show your webcam or not. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe so that you can get more tips.